So, you want to buy a turtle and name him John, but you don't know any turtles and you don't like the name John because it reminds you of your old high school rival. Yeah, that guy. Hey guys, I'm TutsByKai and today we're back once again taking a look at some fonts that I found. So, all these fonts are found on dafont.com and will all be completely free for commercial and personal use. So, with that said, let's get started. The first font that I have for you is a font called Super Fresh. I just like the way it looks, and most importantly, what I look for the most is that all of the characters are actually created. Because a lot of the times you'll have numbers or letters that won't be fully created, especially for free versions of fonts. And I just really like the way this one looks. It looks really bubbly, really thick. I like thick fonts. I don't know what it is, but this is the first one on the list. I think it looks great. What do you guys think? Mut City? Muta. Yeah, like Mut City. There you go. It looks nice, and I like it. It looks great. Very handwritten. I love handwritten fonts. This again has all of the characters, even the obscure ones. But yeah, this one looks great as well. I just found some great fonts recently. I don't know. It's just they're all bangers. I don't know what to tell you. Playr was made by the last person that made the font. Same guy. The guy that made the Mut City and Playr. Same guy. What a small world. This font looks also very, very good. I love it a lot. It's very bold. This could be a very big title font. I think it looks really nice. It's very thin, but it has like some kind of, stature to it. I don't know why. Again, looks a little bit more handwritten, which I just love right now, especially. And finally, we have a font that's called Superidy, which is a very, very cute font. Again, has all of the characters, the numbers, the letters, the symbols. But yeah, I like it a lot. It looks very bold, very tightly once again. And most importantly, it looks unique because the E is a bit strange, some of it looks very, very blocky shapes for the R, the N, different letters and numbers and stuff. That, ladies and gentlemen, is all the fonts that I have for you today. We'll be back with more fonts as we continue throughout the week. When new fonts come out, I'll put together little compilations like this, and I'll share with you the fonts that I think that I enjoy throughout the different weeks and months. I hope you guys enjoyed this first font showcase thing. I don't know. Font review. A year in fonts. Who knows? I'll see you guys in the next one. Listen. Thank you guys for all the support on the videos. I will very shortly be making a video about hitting 100,000 subscribers on YouTube because by the time this video goes up, we'll probably have already hit that landmark, which is crazy. So thank you guys for the love and support. As always, I'll make a separate video. I don't want to waste you guys' time now, but thank you guys for the love and support. I'll see you guys in the next one. But until then, bye-bye.